Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will explore the critical aspects of entering the U.S. on a tourist visa, commonly known as the B-2 visa. Let's take a look at what we'll be covering in this video. We will start by understanding what a B-2 visa is and its purpose. Next, we'll discuss what to expect when crossing the U.S. border, including what influences your chances of entry. Then, we'll delve into the dangers and consequences of trying to work on a tourist visa. Finally, we'll wrap up with some important considerations to keep in mind. The B-2 visa is specifically designed for individuals wishing to enter the United States for tourism purposes, to visit family, or to seek medical treatment. It differs significantly from work visas because it does not permit any form of employment while you are in the country. It's vital to understand this key restriction to avoid any legal troubles. Crossing the U.S. border is a meticulous process, and while it might seem straightforward, CBP officers are thoroughly trained to scrutinize each person crossing the border. They look for honesty and transparency about your visit. Travelers are encouraged to present a clear travel itinerary, demonstrate proof of sufficient funds, and provide evidence of strong ties to your home country, such as a job or property. Remember, the final admission decision lies with the officer at the border. They will ask questions to understand and verify your intentions. If they detect any inconsistencies or suspicious behavior, it could lead to denial of entry. Now it's time for a quick quiz. What is a B-2 visa intended for? Is it A. Tourism and visiting family, B. Permanent residence, or C. Employment opportunities? You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We will discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer is A. Tourism and visiting family. Remember, the B-2 visa is meant for tourism, visiting family, or medical treatment. It's crucial to stick to these intended uses when you're in the U.S. on this visa. This flowchart outlines the severe consequences that come with working without authorization on a tourist visa. It begins with the act of working illegally, which can lead to immediate deportation. Following deportation, the tourist visa can be revoked, preventing future entry into the United States. In some cases, this might also result in a future entry ban, either for a specified period or permanently. Lastly, there are legal penalties, including fines that one might face if caught. Now let's summarize some important considerations. First, honesty is your best ally with CBP officers, as any form of deception can have serious repercussions. Second, it's pivotal to understand the limitations of a tourist visa. It's not a permit for employment in the U.S. Lastly, if you're unsure or face complex situations, it's strongly advisable to consult with an immigration lawyer who can provide guidance tailored to your circumstances. Let's wrap up what we've learned. The B-2 visa is intended for leisure activities such as tourism, and not for any form of employment. Entering the U.S. involves being thoroughly evaluated at the border by CBP officers. Hence, carrying all relevant documents and being truthful is crucial. Lastly, always adhere to your visa's limitations to avoid dire consequences. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video on navigating U.S. entry with a tourist visa helpful. If you enjoyed the content and found it useful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Also, let us know your thoughts or any additional questions you have in the comments below.